Okay, one more time, you see? Got all the clamps loose. The forks done dropped now. So I'm doing this by myself. It's always good to have an extra set of hands if you can. What I'm gonna do is take my trusty dead blow here. I'm gonna take the wheel, square it up. I'm gonna step up to it. And sometimes you need a little persuasion. All right? Go back and forth. Because for some reason, they will go down at different rates. All right, bottomed out. Just trying to get it close to the ground as I can. I'm gonna hit the wheel itself. You can see it. Coming down. Make sure there's nothing in the way that can get caught up. I done already moved the brake lines. The horn is out the way. And give me a second here. Should just come on up. Back these off a little more. Pinch bolts. And we're gonna tap it down a little more. But you see what I'm doing. You see how far down it done came now. So I'm gonna put the phone down and get both hands back on this so I can get it out here a little quicker.